My name is Braden. We're going to be working on speed today by focusing on the deltoid muscles, the abdominal muscles, the hip flexors, the quadriceps, and the hamstrings. It's really important when working on speed to focus on the work-to-rest ratio. It needs to be at least a 1 to 6, and by the end of the workout it should be up near a 1 to 12 or 1 to 15 ratio. So this means if you're working out for 5 seconds, you have about a 30-second, up to about a minute rest. The four main factors of running are stride frequency, stride length, the acceleration phase, and the running technique. We're going to be focusing on just the three of them today: the acceleration phase, the stride frequency, and the stride length. It's really important when you're working on speed to understand how often you can use speed training. So the maximum amount of times you want to be doing speed training sessions, if you're only doing speed training sessions, is about 3 times a week. If you're working speed training in with weightlifting or any aerobic style training, you want to probably be doing it about 2 times a week. It's also really important that you don't do a speed training session if you're still sore from the day before.
Shouts to all my lost boys. Shouts to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shouts to all my lost boys. Shouts to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shouts to all my lost boys. Shouts to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shouts to all my lost boys. Shouts to all my lost boys. And you're ready. And you're ready. And you're ready. Shouts to all my lost boys, we rowdy. Shouts to all my lost boys. Shouts to all my lost boys. Shouts to all my lost boys. Shouts to all my lost boys, we rowdy. Shouts to all my lost boys. And you're ready.
Go. Yep. Just do 5 of them. 3, 4, 5. All the way there and all the way back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, we go to 5, and go. 5. Perfect. Go all the way down to the ground. There you go, and all the way back. Go. Stand up. Perfect.
Still ain't got my marbles, but I got these beats banging out the back of my toy car. Hey, yo.